made it to Louisville. We are at the Expo Center for the National Farm Machinery Show. What are we getting ready to do, Bree?
Run in the rain.
Bree's got the windows fogged up here, but it's pouring down rain. So I'm gonna have to put you guys away and make a run for it. Y'all know we're Ferris fans, but Dixie Chopper's got a pretty cool display with the eagle in the background.
Seriously.
What are you doing, Bree? Getting a picture with a pretty John Deere tractor? Show them what you're doing.
I have my keep bracelets on, and look, it has a tractor.
It's a Trader tractor. It's a green one. We're
They didn't have red.
Versatile fans. We gotta go find Michael S. Versatile's got good crowd around it. Alright, Bree, you ready for some weird stares as we vlog in the middle of the National Farm Machinery Show?
Yep.
What do you think?
It's huge. I don't know what things are half the time.
Bree's a beginning farmer. She's learning what all this is. We're passing the eagle again, but it's one thing that, you know, get all these people like staring at you as you walk with the camera like they've never seen it before. But we are looking for Zach, the Minnesota millennial farmer, and I've already found Michael S. Talk to him. We'll do a little video with him and keep walking around the show and show you guys some more stuff.
Why not? Yep, you're recording.
Welcome, guys. I caught the two biggest celebrities here at the National Farm Show in Louisville. Michael S. and Zach Johnson, the Minnesota millennial farmer.
What do you have, Bree?
Cookies and cream.
What does Michael have?
There's Michael. Of course, without any coat because he decided to leave his coat at home.
Bree, where are we going? You gonna get some bare naked underwear?
Maybe.
What's up, guys? Just got back from Louisville late last night at the National Farm Show. About a 4-hour drive for Bree and I, so it's not too bad. Kind of can't see my face with the light in the background, but that's okay. Not feeling the best day. I'm a little under the weather. Hopefully Zach, Michael S, they're feeling good. I don't know what I caught, but just not up to speed today. But it's a big day. Got to keep moving. You farmers know, even if you're sick, you got to keep moving. Sold the mower today, so a guy will be here in about an hour or two, pick the mower up. So I got to get the Camaro jump started because it's dead. I left my trickle charger off of it, just not thinking. So it's dead, got to jump it, get the truck out of the way, get the mower out, get it clean, sort of cleaned up, and make the deal happen. So. small terminals on batteries. On my truck, I made the mistake of not getting the big post. I don't know why, again, wasn't thinking. So I just have them real small terminals. So they're just a pain to hook up. But on the Camaro, this will never be a field car. You know, I got the good posts on top if you ever need to jump it or whatever. It's not great on a battery to do that, but it's my only option right now. You know, one thing I need to do is put my flag up. So the mower's gone, the deal's done. I'll move on to my next new one. I didn't take a lot of videos in Louisville. One, partly because there's so many people, but two, it's so loud. You guys can see from the previous video I put up from Minnesota Millennial Farmer and Mike Les, where we were just kind of having a little fun. Just doing a little video. I mean, it's so hard to hear because it's so loud in that place. So that kind of distracted me from actually taking videos. I mean, you have to have the camera like so close to your face to actually even hear me. So I just had fun with the guys, enjoyed the show. It was the first time I've ever been down there. And here comes the wind. Hopefully that's not bothering the video too much, but yeah, it's just, man, there's so many people down there. But if you've never been down there, I hope you guys get to experience at least once. I know, you know, a lot of guys with animals, cattle, stuff like that, it's hard to get away. Guys like me that doesn't have that stuff, it makes it a little easier to get away to go see that stuff. But yeah, that's the reason why you're not going to see a lot of videos from me out there. I'll throw a little bit of clips in there on that kind of the montage stuff, but yeah, it's phenomenally loud. I just can't believe how loud it is in there. So, but hopefully Zach, the Minnesota Millennial Farmer, he'll have some videos up. Mike Les, he's already got some videos up. Go check those guys out. Check out the Louisville Farm Show or the National Farm Show. Great time down there.